up contaminated sections of Oklahoma. Some local students may be the solution to help purify contaminated waters downstream of toxic Superfund sites like Tar Creek. That's in Pitcher near Miami in Ottawa County. Two students from Cascia Hall in Tulsa are competing in two national competitions with their project. Braden Milford says the product he created with bacteria and algae can help clean 80% of heavy metals in the water.
I've developed the whole system that I developed cost only $10 to make, and its success rate is extremely significant compared to what you're typically seeing with the multi-million-dollar facilities. And so because of that, also you can greatly expand the number of sites that you can have in the EPA Superfund program.
Now, if Milford and his teammate win at one of the national competitions, the project could go on to compete internationally in Stockholm, Sweden.